You ready, buddy?
No.
Round 2.
No, I'm not winning. He's fast. Good job, then, Mousy.
What do you think, Chomp?
I'm gonna make you little baby. You're so mean.
I'm a man, he's gotta eat.
I'm kidding. Don't let him eat the baby mouses no more.
He's got to.
I don't want him to. It's making me cry.
Well, go hang out with your mama.
Yeah, my mommy's killing me.
Kill him, Chomp.
Don't kill him, you little...
It's while the other one alive.
Huh?
It's while the other one's still alive.
What other one?
He's probably swallowing this one alive too, Lip.
You weasel. You so mean. You so ugly.
He is not ugly.
He is. Wait, I'm scared.
Trevor!
He's not a good lizard.
He is. He's a very good lizard. But get your finger away from him while he's eating. Oh, got some blood over in the box.
What's
He wants another one.
Let me have a